In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to power off iPhone 16 without pressing the power button. This is useful if the button is damaged or unresponsive. Apple provides alternative methods, which allows users to safely shut down the device without relying on the physical button. To do this, simply head to your control center. You will just have to long hold onto this power icon on your upper right corner of the screen. To turn off your iPhone, simply slide to rightwards to power off your device. The other option is to head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select General. On the General page, you will want to navigate onto the last option of Shutdown. The option of Slide to power off will appear. Just slide rightwards to turn off your iPhone. That's how easy it is to power off your iPhone without pressing the power buttons. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.